Alright guys, we ordered a inflatable stand-up paddleboard and it's arrived. So we're gonna do the unboxing.
We are currently in Matthews, Virginia.
Anchored with our
all
buddy.
the way up near.
With our buddy sailing Samba. A little buddy boat situation in Tesla. Okay, sorry, back to this.
So this is a ROC stand-up paddleboard with kayak seat. So you can use it as a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard. So there's the seat. Got some clips. It's sealed in there. So we gotta break the plastic to get it out. The question that's on everybody's mind, I'm sure, is will Tesla be able to ride the stand-up paddleboard?
We have faith.
We will find out.
We think she may.
This morning, because she needs to pee.
Yep.
And we need to get her to shore.
The water is a little too shallow for the dinghy out here, so we are going to use a kayak and a paddleboard to get Tesla to shore and ourselves.
All the RTFM stuff. Ooh, 3-year warranty.
Oh, it's cool. It comes in a storage bag.
A movable tote bag. That's got nice shoulder pads.
Yeah, it's like a backpack. I saw that on the. Oh, nice.
Hip strap, because it's so damn heavy.
Saw that on the description.
So Jen's mom had to pick it up.
Yeah, it arrived at my mom's house while we were sailing.
She couldn't lift the box up because it's heavy. It's that heavy.
Mm-hmm.
And so she had to kind of like walk the box corner to corner to get it back into the garage.
So I'm like, this doesn't bode well for me being able to lift it out of the water. Pump?
One pump.
I wonder if we could also use the dinghy one.
Attachment for the dinghy. So
do you think we could use the foot pump we have for the dinghy?
If that's the same size, it might or might not be.
This is probably not going to take very long to inflate.
Just on there. Like a that.
ROC Outdoors. Shout out to ROC Outdoors. They had some good reviews
did not
online.
sponsor us.
They did not sponsor us.
But we will accept.
We will accept it if you would like to. Because we could use a second paddleboard. But anyway, they had really good reviews. And we did some research finding good quality one that wasn't going to break the bank. And had a kayak seat.
Oh, looks like a spare seal.
Could always use one of those. What do you think, Des? You excited to ride this to shore?
Recommended 10 to 15 psi.
I really like the bag.
Good morning.
I hear a noise.
I hear a noise too.
Is it our buddy? Sailing vessel Samba? Waking up?
Here's the dry bag it comes with.
Okay.
Pretty small, so maybe we won't put our sweatshirts in it today.
Good enough for the essentials.
But you can get your phone.
Yeah. I wonder if it has a
arm strap. It's actually a very small one. I've got a bigger one because we want to put our more stuff in it. Because you have to fold it at least twice, I think, and then it locks.
good for essentials like a phone and keys.
Yeah.
But a little small for what we need to carry to shore. But perfectly fine for just like a quick trip out.
We got the numbers on it. Always good. If the paddle handle becomes too loose, simply tighten by hand by opening the latch part and rotating the latch clockwise. Alright, so this, cool thing with this one is that it can either be stand-up paddleboard or it's got a second paddle that you can put on the other end, and then it's a kayak paddle.
Cool. I like the options.
Maybe we'll start with kayak paddle because I'll be taking Tesla to shore as soon as I get this thing in the water so that she can do her business.
So we're on a couple day journey here from Deltaville over to Matthews, where we're at right now. We're gonna paddle to shore and wander around town a bit, get some breakfast, And then we're going to continue on our journey to Yorktown with our buddy sailing vessel Samba and wander around Yorktown a little bit tomorrow. And then we'll head back to Deltaville. We did have one issue yesterday while sailing over with one of our stays breaking. So like on this side you can see the stays that help, how would you say, like stabilize the mast, support the mast with that wooden piece there with the pins we have. And so on the other side, one of them snapped off.
It's a rope contraption.
And this went flying across the bow area, and then Kenny has rigged up a rope scenario
Unboxing is
to
continuing.
hold that together for now so we could continue our journey. Alright, back to unboxing. Then
Strap. Handle. Close open, not for inflation or repair only.
Alright.
For repair only.
Cool. There it is.
This is the smallest it will ever be, I'm sure. Because it will never fold down quite
Is
the
that
same.
how it fits in the bag theoretically? You have to fold it up?
Probably, yeah, you gotta fold it up. Shrink up and then the bag. It came in a lot of different colors. We went with blue and white. Alright, well, I guess I should put this up on deck somewhere.
You want to spread it this way?
Yeah.
Ooh. Look at that. Pretty. I like all the blues. They had a purple option too. I was looking at if we get a second one, ROC Outdoors. This is big. Put it on the outside. Good morning.
What up?
Look who it is. Sailing Samba.
How you doing?
Good. We're
What's up?
unboxing the sup right now.
That's what's
It looks good. Do you think we should set it outside?
I think it'll still fit out the 1 hour later.
This is how you get your morning workout. Sometimes we do yoga, sometimes we hand pump inflatables. Tess is not amused by our shenanigans. These guys. Just trying to get to shore to pee. So you said we're at what PSI?
0 PSI. It's getting there. But
Single zero or double zero?
Single or double?
looks like just single. Yeah.
Big difference.
Alright, we're up to 7 PSI.
What do we have to get to?
10 to 15 they said. Alright, that's 15. Good enough.
Is doing okay? Do you need an inhaler? Okay. Tess is getting on the paddleboard for the first time. Looks unsure about this contraption. Would it be easier if I was holding it steady with a rope or something?
Okay. I gotcha.
Okay. Don't jump in, Tess. Well, look, she's assumed the position at the front and laid down.
Good girl.
What a good girl. Great success. You guys are just going to take a quick pee trip and then we'll head out
Over to that boat.
for breakfast. Okay. Look at you two. Hi. That's the money shot right there. Off they go. You guys look adorable. Coming back from shore. Tess looks happy. Aw. Too cute. These two. How'd it go? Tess looks like she's made for that thing. Laying on the front like she's done this before. Good job, Tess. Look, yeah. It's like she knew exactly what to do.
Yeah. Worked out well.
Well, she was like, I could see her thinking, how am I going to get back up here?
Good piloting, Tess.
Good job, Tess. Did you do the steering?